Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's dig in our box today and find box or day 4. Whether it's a box or an envelope, I'm not sure. 9, 19, 8, 20. Here's 4. Day 4 will get you this super cute welcome home quilt pattern. Oh, and it includes the panel. I see now. I thought it was fat quarters. Oh my gosh, these are the doors. Okay, I have to open this up and I'm struggling for some reason. Those are so cute. So in the pattern, all of these have a door in the house. And so you've got the panel now for all of the doors. Plus it looks like there's some Christmas fabric. So on this side we've got stars and candy canes. And then on this side we have the kind of just twinkling lights strings. Oh my gosh. These are way cute. Way cute panel. This would be a lot of fun to make. I think even if you didn't do this pattern, this one's 39 by 30. So it's got all the instructions on how to make the trees and the houses and the star or the quilt blocks that are in it, because that's the center block, and then everything is built around. That would be fun. You could make the blocks, the house blocks, and put them in a different layout if you didn't love this. But super cute. Way cute. So this is day 4.